one day out of the blues, we lost our Wi-Fi, and we're trying to figure out what happened. So I went to see my daughter's TV, and it was spinning, trying to load in. And also my desktop and my laptop and even my phone, there was no connection to Wi-Fi. So I think we needed to reset the Wi-Fi. And you're gonna even see the router with the blue light blinking, and even the modem has the two steady lights. That's a sign that both of them need to be reset. You need to reset the Wi-Fi in order to have it back. So there's two things that we're gonna do. The first thing is disconnect both units from the back. You can disconnect it from there or from the wall, and let it rest for 20 to 30 seconds. I mean, I just did it real quick for just to teach you and to make a faster video. But do that for a little while, and then on the router, there's a reset button that you need to reach it with a small tool, or you can use a skinny screwdriver like I'm using in the video. Sorry, I blocked it, but I wasn't paying attention. But anyways, once you do that, let it rest for a few seconds, and the Wi-Fi should be turned back on. So it looks like it's already back on. So remember, you have to detach both units, either from the back of the units or from the wall, and then hit that reset button on the router. And then on your TV, just retry. If it doesn't work using retry, you have to probably go on the network settings and check to see if the network is actually already activated or connected. But in this case, it took a little while. It was no connection, and we did a search, but then it reconnected right away. So we were able to watch TV once again. Yeah, but that's pretty much. It's pretty much simple. I mean, hopefully you can figure it out faster. I mean, if these two methods doesn't work for you, you might have to call Spectrum and they can walk you through something else. But these two steps should be fix your problem, and you can get you back on the internet and do your business as usual. Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and like this video. Please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to thank you, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye. Let's watch some cartoon.